you don't have it, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have just prepared an initial draft for the storyboard, the
Yes.
polyflip storyboard.
Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. I will be presenting the polyflip storyboard for our digital marketing course that we are designing. Well, as any course, we have designed this course by integrating and aligning the objectives and the intended learning outcomes and other elements in order to provide better educational experience for students. As for the first part of the polyflip, which is about the target group, our target group would be the second-year university students who studies electronic marketing. But it is worth mentioning that also we can say that it also includes students who studies business administrations and economics at the second year. And at the same time, any students who have preferences in related fields to study digital marketing, they can be targeted to this course. We have, I will start by talking a little bit about the description of this course. This is an introductory course, by the way, so it opens the door for more advanced courses at the late stages. So students within this course will be provided with the basic knowledge and skills needed to develop and implement digital marketing campaigns. The students will be exposed to theories in marketing and digital marketing. They also will this course will encompass different digital marketing tools like social media tools, email, mobile, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, and display ads, and all other elements of the digital marketing and tools. Students will be learned about different platforms in order to propose an integrated digital marketing campaign by the end. We have organized this course to be delivered through the online channel and the face-to-face classes. So we have proposed that, but still we are still discussing the final arrangement for this assortment for our class. As for the online courses, we will prepare 5 different modules. They will be about the first one would be about the introduction to digital marketing and the digital marketing mix, digital marketing analysis, digital marketing strategy, relationship marketing, and managing the online customer experience. These topics would be designed as modules to be delivered online. Meantime, we will design 3 main modules to be delivered face-to-face. And this comprise the campaign planning for digital media, digital marketing communication channels and tools, web analytics, and consumer online marketing insights. We propose this to be delivered face-to-face since we can give more practical and interactive in-class session or in labs for students. As for the course objectives that are aligned with the ILOs, the main ILOs for this module is to understand the e-marketing fundamentals, analyze the micro and macro environmental factors influencing choosing industry, recommended adjustment to a digital marketing strategy to address these factors, also propose a digital marketing strategy for a chosen target audience, incorporating search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media, content, email marketing, tactics based on a specific business objectives. Furthermore, this course also aims to evaluate the effectiveness of various relationship marketing strategies in improving customer satisfaction and retention in the online context, develop a comprehensive digital media campaign plan for specific product or a service, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of various digital marketing communication channels, evaluate the analytics data or web analytics data, like website traffic, user behavior, conversion rate, and other indicators of web metrics to extract actionable insights about consumer online buying behavior. Definitely, these outcomes were reflected in the course objective. So there is an alignment between both sections. As for the decision related to the proportion delivered either online or offline, we have not finally decided on that, but we can say the 40% would be delivered online or distance learning. I think it will be converted up to 30%, and approximately between 60 up to or 70 would be delivered face-to-face class. To be honest, because students still are not fully prepared for the transformation into a new teaching methods or new the platforms to be they will use in order to have their classes. As for the needs for the class, we can say initially, definitely we will need a classroom, LCD projectors, and most importantly, we need to have a subscription for some digital marketing tools and softwares in order to allow students to apply and implement and use the different platforms and tools, because some platforms and some tools are not free access. They need a kind of subscription in order to use it for and to receive a real data to utilize it in their campaign. These are the main sections, but as for the evaluation methods, as for the online, the evaluation methods mainly would be comprehensive projects, like which we will propose designing an digital marketing campaign for a specific chosen local company, and the feedback that we receive during the class teaching online, definitely, and website and the platform analytics. This is another project, has to do with asking students to evaluate the online or digital presence for a specific company, and to make data analysis and act accordingly or propose decisions for improving their online presence or performance. As for the evaluation methods related to the in-class or face-to-face content, there would be assignments in class. In addition to the midterm and final exams, we can also negotiate or discuss this point to make the final decision about it. And as for the group size would be up to 20 or maybe up to 25 students. This was a summary about the initial storyboard that we have designed, and I have presented on behalf of my team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Abdel Nasser. Good presentation for the storyboard, and also one module of the storyboard. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anyone have a question for Dr. Nasser? Yes, Samir.
Samir, thank you, Dr. Nasser. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, very well.
Okay. Yes, sure, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you share the slide again? Because the one you show it with the objectives and outcomes, please.
Okay, I will. Just give me a moment, please.
Take your time.
I think now it is presented clearly.
Yeah, thank you. Dr. Naha, this structure is the same one that you shared with us in the first.
This is the previous draft. He had this is my notice that he had to change it to the new one. But there's no difference. And outcomes of this module is related to intended learning outcomes, which is ILOs. And objectives is from the previous, everything is good, but here missing the third environment, which is the field visits only. This is the third environment.
Okay,
they need to add the third environment.
Okay, Dr. Abdel Nasser, I have a question about the digital media design, which is one of the topics, and I can see it's one of the outcomes that students will gain through this course. Are we talking about designing skills or using software here regarding the topic?
Actually, I don't think that I have written something has to do with digital media design. It was about digital marketing campaigns, which is about designing a comprehensive plan to utilize the different communication tools like search engine optimization, search engine marketing, email marketing, display advertising, and other tools, mobile marketing and social media and others, in order to achieve the marketing objectives ultimately.
Okay, outcome number 5, develop a comprehensive digital media campaign.
Yes, exactly. Outcome number 5 and objective number 5.
So my question is,
yes.
Do you have like more than one professor to teach, multi-professors in this course, or only you can suggest one of the four?
Yeah, my colleague, I have mentioned at the beginning of the presentation that this is an introductory course. It opens the door for more advanced courses. For example, students at the other stages will be having, for example, digital marketing strategy and web development. There is a specific course called web development. Throughout this course, which is the web development, students will have these skills to design and to develop a real website, and it's whether using a content management system or using a programming language. Also, they will have another course like social media management. Throughout this course, they will have the professional skills in order to apply specific social media skills. But at this course, we teach the students how to make a general digital marketing campaign. So one teacher, you can say, is enough. Maybe we can propose a co-lecturer to focus on the theoretical part, and on the lab, students will have technical skills inside the lab. So in the other case, we need a co-lecturer.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Any other question for Dr. Abdel Nasser? Thank you, Dr. Abdel Nasser.
Thank you very much.
Now we call Dr. Rania to present one topic using H5P and lessons inside Palestinian model. She start design the modules of e-marketing, which is presented by one module presented by Dr. Abdel Nasser. She will present a lesson from designed as online teaching and learning material by H5P. We will watch. Okay, Dr. Rania.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone.
Dr. Abdel Nasser, stop your share screen. Thank you.
I will share mine. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I'm glad to be here today to present my work. I am the ICT specialist in the group of the e-marketing preparation course. First, I would like just to make a note that when we hold our fourth meeting together, I advised my teachers or my colleague lecturers to prepare their learning materials or their lessons based on a flowchart. For me, as an ICT expert, it is much more easier for me to have a flowchart that represents the requirements of the lesson that the lecturer or the professor prefer to see in his learning material. So this is a simple example of the first lesson of the first module. In this lesson, as you can see, I prepared a flowchart just to demonstrate the idea. I'll start with an introductory interactive video on digital marketing. Then I have the definition of what is digital marketing. After that, I dropped a question to the students. If he answers or she answers the question correctly, then this will lead him or her to the other content page. Otherwise, it will go back to the definition, since the student seems not, didn't understand the meaning as proposed to be or supposed to be. After that, the second page content is paid, owned, and earned media. Then we talk about the 7 Ds. Then I have an explanation or examples of the 7D content. After that, I proposed or I suggested to add a video here. And this video is from YouTube. And the presenter of the video is Dev Chavi, who's the the author of the textbook that we plan to use in this course. Dev Chavi is the father of digital marketing, so it is a good idea to have some of his ideas or some speeches regarding to the course within the content. And the watching of this video is optional, so the student has the opportunity to watch it or not. If he prefers to watch the video, then this will lead him to the video, and then will be moved to the other content page. Otherwise, if he decided not to watch the video, then he will be directed automatically to the next content page, which talks about digital marketing frameworks. After that, we talk about the 5 S's. By this, we will finish the content of our lesson. And at the end of the lesson, I made here a cluster of questions. It consists of only 3 multiple choice questions, just to demonstrate the idea. So it is not really an actual lesson, just to just to give my colleagues an idea about an interactive learning and what are the technical tools that are available in the Moodle and how they can employ these tools in their lessons. The cluster of questions contains of 3 questions. If the students answer the first one correctly, then he will be directed to the end of the lesson. Otherwise, he will be directed to another unseen question from the cluster. So this is the structure of the lesson that I will start showing to you right now. And if you have any question, I will be glad to answer by the end of this presentation. This is the introduction to digital marketing. Okay, I would like to say something first before I start the video. While preparing this course, as we have 2 parts, we have online learning and face-to-face. So I decided to choose 2 images that represent the 2 learning environments. I choose the orange one for the online environment. So any module that is proposed to the student or that is given to the student online will have the orange color, while the face-to-face module will be a green color. So just by looking at the module, you will understand, or the student will understand, that this module is online or face-to-face. This is the introductory video. This is a video that I have already downloaded from the YouTube and worked on it by adding some interactions, so the student can interact with the video and answer some questions within or regarding the content of the video. I prefer to download the video and upload it again, because sometimes when you download a video from YouTube, it is directly by the end of the video, it suggests some other links to other videos. Just to not to distract our students and to keep them within the Moodle environment, I prefer to download the video and upload it again. I will start this video with you.
Digital marketing is the selling and promoting of products, services, or content through the use of the internet and modern technology.
As you can see here on the timeline, I have 2 circles. These 2 circles represent where I have added some interactions to the videos. Just for simplicity, I added only 2 interactions to this video. The first one, when it reaches the first interaction, it will stop automatically, and a drop or a button here will show to show the interaction that I have added. In this case, I have added a true or false question. This is the question. Digital marketing is involved in selling products and products only. Of course, if you hear the video from the beginning, you will know that the answer is false. But what if the student answered true? If he answered true and check, then it will give him, oops, you need to pay more attention, and it will allow him to retry to answer the question. In the case of a true or false question, it is meaningless to have a retry because we have only 2 options, but it may have more meaning when we have a multiple choice question. So let's try just to try it. If I said false and check, then it will give him excellent. Go on.
Digital marketing is similar to traditional marketing with a few key differences. Digital marketing, for instance,
to save your time, I will just go forward with the video to reach the second interaction.
4 billion people are currently on social media. That means billions of people are using different search engines like Google or social media websites like Facebook or Instagram.
Here I have the second interaction, which is drag the words into the correct boxes based on his hearing of the video. Digital marketing is more, the answer here is measurable and predictable. And here we have to stay active. These are the correct answers. So if I check, it will give him the grade 3 of 3 and continue. And then the video will continue, of course, until the end, but I will proceed. This is the first content page in the lesson. I proceed. Here we have the definition of the digital marketing. If you remember from the flow chart, this content page reflects this part. What is digital marketing? Now, this is the definition of digital marketing. The student will read this definition and will proceed to the next page. Here, we have to take into account the student with disabilities. We know that there are different types of learners and different types of students who may have some vision disabilities, hearing disabilities. So why not to utilize all of the tools and capabilities of the model in order to make the learning experiments of our students easier. I added here an audio file with the definition of marketing. Achieving marketing objectives through applying digital media, data, and technology. Then the student will proceed. Here we have a true or false question based on the flow chart. The answer here is false. So if you answer false, he will be, the answer is correct, and he will be directed to the next content page, which is paid, owned, and earned media. In this content page, as you can see, the text is readable within one screen. So it is easy, and it is good to put it in one screen, as the student doesn't have to roll down or scroll down much to read the text. But in some cases, the text that we have to add in a certain content could be long, so it can't be seen within the frame of one screen. In these cases, we can use another facility or another tool in the model, which is accordion, which I applied already in another content page that you will see ahead. Here, proceed. And this is the next content page, the 7 Ds. As you can see, these content pages are aligned with the flowchart that I have already presented to you. And now we are in the 7 Ds explanation. This is the 7 Ds explanation or examples. Here we come to the step where the student has the choice either to watch the video or to stop or to continue without watching the video. So I added 2 buttons: watch a video to explain the figure, or proceed without watching the video. He has the choice. If he decided to watch a video, then this will take him to the video page, and this video is presented by the Dev Shavi, the author of the book.
We created our 7 Ds of digital marketing to provide a holistic framework which considers all of the aspects we need to review for effective digital marketing.
So I will stop now and I'll go back. If the student decided to continue without watching the video, then he will press on this button, and this will take him directly to the other content page, which will be already reached by the previous page after watching the video. As you can see, this can be reached by 2 ways, either without watching the video or after watching the video. Then, as we see here, we can go back to 2 different points. If a student didn't get something or didn't understand a specific idea, then he has to go back, and he has 2 options to go back, either to go back to the video or either to go back to the 7 Ds. So I had to add 2 backs here. Then proceed. This is the final content page in the lesson, where I told you that the content itself could be very long and the student has to scroll down. In this case, I utilize the accordion tool in the Moodle, where the student has to press on the title to see the content. One by one, which saves a lot of space on the page. Then he either go back to review or start a set of multiple choice questions. Let's start. The first question: building brand excitement or memorability is included in. The correct answer is sizzle, but if I choose another false answer, it will be directed to another example or another question from the cluster. All of the following are of the 7 Ds, except the correct answer is digital companies. But if he chose digital goals, it will lead him to another third question. And if he chose the right answer now, which is reduction, he will be directed to the end of the lesson. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you very much for
Thank you.
your wonderful lesson, really, yani. Thank you. For me,
Thank you.
I love what you do, what you did. Thank you. Any question from our colleagues? Any comment, any feedback?
I would just like to add a comment. In order to draw the flowchart, there are many free softwares to draw the flowchart. This morning I tried to find some for you in order to make it easier. We can use the DIA. DIA is one example of the free software that can be used to draw the flowchart. We know that we have many courses with different disciplines. So in some courses, we may need to draw a computer network, and others we may need to draw an electrical circuit. So this program is much more equipped with facilities and tools more than the one that I used, which is click charts. So there are plenty of softwares that can help in drawing flowcharts.
Thank you. And the flowchart is help the professor, help the lecturers and professors to plan for their lessons when they implement it online, because the
Yes.
online need also need to plan for it. What do you benefit from this experience, Dr. Rania?
Sorry?
Your benefit from this experience.
Well, as you know,
It's a new experience for you. Yeah.
Yes, you know that I am new to this project, and for me, I didn't attend any of the training lessons in Slovenia. So thanks to Engineer Ayman and you, that you gave us some elementary training on the Moodle. And based on these trainings, I try to improve my skills as I am the ICT specialist in my group, to present or to utilize the Moodle the best way ever to deliver the material to our students.
A marketing course group. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Really.
Rania, Abdel Nasser, mine, and others.
And
also
there is the good news that Dr. Rania, Dr. Abdel Nasser, Dr. Ma'in are they are meeting, and Bilal, Dr. Bilal Yunus.
Yes, and Dr.
Muhammad, they are now the third meeting, maybe, or more.
We have finished the fourth. Four meetings. Yes.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Active team.
Yes.
And it is worth mentioning that Dr. Muhammad Abdurrahman has also prepared an intensive description for the first module, and he shared it with us yesterday.
Okay, we will present this in another session, inshallah. But now we can go to watch what Dr. Rami prepared at the general course. The course prepared by Dr. Rami is general course. It is for all universities. He prepared this with the Ministry of Education and Higher Education. And Dr. Murad is the pedagogical one. Dr. Engineer Ayman is the ICT expert. Dr. Rami, the floor is yours. Rania, you need to stop your screen.
Yeah, of course.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rami Youssef. I am a lecturer at worked as associate professor at the computer engineering department at Palestine Technical University, and also the dean of Palestine Technical College at Palestine Technical University. My role in this project as a course coordinator, our course is the occupational health and safety. First of all, Dr. Noah, maybe give me the share of the screen.
Already you have.
Yes. It's clear now, yes?
Yes, we see.
Okay. First of all, I want to show the importance of this course, the occupational health and safety. The occupational health and safety course is designed to create an understanding of safe, healthy work environment. The importance of this course comes from its concerns with the two separate main parts, as we see. The occupational safety and the occupational health. The occupational safety covers the risk factors in the workplaces and the potential safety hazards that might cause injury. And the occupational health focus on the potential health concerns and well-being, including the safety and the employees' physical well-being, as well as mental health. This course designed for Palestine Technical University and our partners from the Ministry of Education and Higher Education. This is me, Rami Youssef, and our partners, Engineer Sami Musa and Engineer Rabi' Abu Shamli and Dr. Murad Awadallah from Palestine Technical University. We have here, I used the modified template. The first page talking about the modules. We have 9 modules here. I will explain today just the first module, which is introduction. Also, we have here the course description about the occupational health and safety. This course is introduction to major concepts and issues in occupational health and safety. Students from different occupational and professional disciplines will introduce to the conceptual frameworks for working with the populations of workers and apply the essential health principles. We have also here the key activities. The key activities may be working in small groups, buzz groups, design posters, prepare a short presentation on a particular topics, design poster for demonstrating skills, simulation labs, and etc. Here we will go to talk about more details about this course. We have, first of all,
can you zoom, make zoom?
Yes.
Yani...
Maximize?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We have, first of all, we have the key partners, which is the Ministry of Education, the Higher Education, and Higher the Ministry of Education and Higher Education, and the Palestinian universities, the Ministry of Labor, the Ministry of Transport and Communications. The key activities, like just I said before, working in small pubs, prepare a short presentation, designing posters. We have also the resources. The key resources for this course includes learning resources like educational links, brochures, books. We have here 2 books. Also, we have the Occupational Safety and Health Administrations, OSHA. These parts talking about the key activities. Now we want to talk about the value. We have here the main objective, which is the occupational health and safety course, which is designed to create an understanding of a safe, healthy work environment. We have the added value, which is talking about engage with teamwork, to practice different rules and functions of the occupational health and safety professionals and maintain a self-confidence to reduce the level of stress that will decrease the incidents of work-related hazards. Here we have the ILOs, the general ILOs, which is 9 ILOs. I will mention some of them: familiarization with hazard risks, recognize the importance of health and safety, identify the range of health and safety hazards and harm that can do, utilize the importance of safety signs and their usage, employ reporting for potential health and safety hazards, assess the risks, the risk measures that can be carried out, demonstrate appropriate measures to prevent or reduce the risk of occupational hazards, and engage with teamwork practice. Our target group relations, we talk about many different degrees, starting with diploma and baccalaureate degree in the Palestinian universities, and also the master degrees in some universities, in addition to the supervisors of workshops and industrial workshops. We have 3 way of channels to educate. We have the face-to-face classes in direct relationship, and also we have video tutorials, and we have online learning, and we have also the most important one is also the field visit, visiting civil defense, including civil defense, customs, police, and unions such as the engineers union. This course we have here also, we want to talk about the cost and revenue stream. The cost structure maybe we can choose also another types of costs, like, but I will talk about the direct cost, which is the safety equipment in this course, and we have also a fixed cost, which is the specialized lab equipment we needed in this course, and also we have the operational costs, which is the installation of safety systems, IT infrastructures. About the revenue streams, we have also 3 types of revenue streams. We can change it. And I want to, if anyone maybe also give me another advice about the revenue stream in this course. We have the human income through an occupational safety and health supervisor. We have service fees, which is health and safety in labs and workshops. We have also training courses fees in occupational health and safety. I here will talk about just one module. The first module, which is introduction. Why is occupation safety and health needed? This is the first module. The objectives, we have 2 objectives for this module. Demonstrate their understanding of risk, dangers, safe and accidents, serious events. Also, we have a second objective to be aware of the importance of the occupational health and safety. We have 3 types of learning. We have the first one, the online module content. This one maybe in our FLEB 3 triple E PTUK models, we bought many types of learning technologies, such as introductory video about the course and its components, learning and teaching materials using H5B and lessons. Also, we can put also in our model, in our PTUK model, interactive videos about risks and includes occupational health and safety guidelines. We can enrich our online model with quizzes and different types of questions from H5B and lessons, such as multiple choices, true, false, drag and drop images, sliders, and other type of questions. All of these types of interactive contents, we can find it through this link. This is the online module. We have also the face-to-face module. We can give the students assignments, write a summary, for example, at the end of the class, assignments, strategy, short quizzes using short survey technologies, also supported with PowerPoint, which covers, for example, specific topics from page number 10, for example, page number 20. This is the second one. The third one is the field visit module content. This field visit workshops, such as construction workshops, we can go with our students to see these workplaces, such as constructional workshops, mechanical workshops. According to the risks, we can go to another also workshops covering all the different types of risks. We can give the student to make a report on the visit to the workshop and submit, for example, assignment talking about, or also to show what they see, what they conclude, their conclusion from their visit. Our target group is for example, is for multidisciplinary specialty. Maybe we can, so of course will be this contact will be modified according to the specialty. The students will be able to register this course, for example, after finishing 60% of the total credit hours of their study. Our needs in this course, including many things like classroom, LCD projector, reliable internet connection, LMS, video, also our FLIP 3EE PTUK model, which already created, and we put our materials inside it. The general ILOs